This is a retail security display and retractable pulling cable positioning product. It can be used for open sales security or home items positioning. We are introducing its size details, commonly used cable thickness, retractable cable length, pull force, and the parameters that it can implement. We have dozens of box shapes and dozens of cable ends that can be combined and applied to attach many commodities via tape, lasso or screw, etc. Commodities' appearance can be flat, curved and with holes, such as phone, remote control, perfume, barcode scanner, glasses, ring, tool, USB drive, bag and so on. Our engineer team can design new products and turn customers' idea into reality. Welcome to contact us if you are interested.